Is your home's air conditioning system working as efficiently as it should be? Perhaps you're struggling to stay comfortable even though your air conditioning system is working flat out? We've got you covered. We are a reputable air conditioning service and installation company, experienced enough to handle all your air conditioning requirements, from seasonal checkups and simple repairs right through to the installation of a full air conditioning system if necessary. Our fully trained technicians will get the job done quickly and efficiently. Don't take risks with your family's comfort and well-being by hiring the wrong contractor. Get in touch with us today.